Welcome to the channel. In this video, we go offshore fishing for the first time on the Angler's Dream fishing charter. Make sure to watch until the end to see who caught the most fish during our trip.
This is Skylar and Jamie with Exploration, and today we're going to be taking you along on our first time deep sea fishing.
If you follow our channel, you already know that we love the outdoors and trying new things, and we are definitely not fishermen.
No, we are not. I used to love going fishing with my grandpa in Iowa, but that was over 20 some years ago.
Yeah, I also really liked fishing growing up as a kid too, but since we moved to Florida, we haven't gone fishing once.
No, and I think today is going to be just a little bit different than pond fishing in the Midwest.
Hopefully we're going to catch more fish and less snapping turtles and frogs on this trip.
Let's start from the beginning. We had to get up early to make it to the charter by 7:30 in the morning. Since we were traveling from downtown St. Petersburg, we had to go through the toll booth on Pinellas Bayway to get to the island. The charter typically leaves from Dolphins Landing at St. Pete Beach at 8 a.m. After checking in for our charter, we made our way to the boat. The Angler's Dream is a 56-foot Duffy boat with a capacity of 37 people. The boat was pretty full during our trip. It did have both an enclosed space and a bathroom on board. After being welcomed on board by Captain Joe, we were on our way to the Gulf to fish. During the boat ride, the captain's son Brandon prepared all the fishing rods and provided demonstrations on how to use them. There was plenty of time to ask questions and enjoy the views, as it took around an hour and 15 minutes to get to the first fishing spot. We had to go through the Intercoastal Way to access the Gulf south of Passagarrow. The Angler's Dream ventures up to 14 miles offshore to go fishing. Once we were close to the first fishing spot, Brandon prepared the bait, which was a type of squid. As the boat slowed down, it was time to get ready to fish. It wasn't long before the first person in our group caught a fish.
Nice.
Alright, sir, you're gonna be numb orange.
And other groups started reeling them in as well.
Oh yeah.
At times, Captain Joe and Brandon were kept pretty busy taking fish off of hooks. But other times they were helping passengers to get their lines unstuck from the bottom of the Gulf.
Now, is my line okay?
The crew taught us how to bottom fish, which means you let your hook sink all the way to the bottom of the Gulf and then reel it up just a bit to catch the attention of the fish.
Nice.
That's a good one.
It looks like a
That one has some blue on it.
During the charter, we also learned about various fish, including this toadfish, also known as the mother-in-law fish. It is poisonous, so this one went back into the Gulf. Once the fish seemed to scatter in the area we were fishing in, the captain would move to a different spot to keep trying.
Start cleaning it on the way in. If you guys want to take some pictures, obviously.
After around 2 hours of fishing, we headed back toward Dolphins Landing. I ended up catching 3 fish. While Skylar didn't technically catch any, he does get partial credit since he baited all of my hooks, and someone had to film. On the way way back, Brandon filleted the fish we caught so we could have them for dinner. And the Angler's Dream was followed by some friendly dolphins. Overall, the Angler's Dream Charter was a great opportunity for us to experience offshore fishing for the first time. The 5-hour experience was $55 for adults and $34 for children. While more experienced fishermen may prefer a smaller, more personalized charter, the Angler's Dream was perfect for beginners like ourselves and was a significantly less expensive option. But if you're looking for a less crowded experience, the Angler's Dream is also available for private charters. If you're thinking about giving offshore fishing a try, we would highly recommend the Angler's Dream. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments. If you're looking for more things to do around St. Petersburg, Florida, check out our St. Pete playlist. For more adventure travel content, subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on.